As the world observed the International Day of Peace, the situation in occupied Kashmir stands in stark contrast, marred by the ongoing Indian state terrorism that fosters the climate of fear and oppression. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Surveys in connection with the day today revealed that for the past 77 years, the people of occupied Kashmir have endured severe brutality at the hands of the Indian forces. The report highlights that the Indian troops routinely employ brutal tactics including torture against the Kashmiris. A cordon and search operation by the Indian troops in the Reasi district has entered its second day today. The operation began on the Friday evening in the Shikari area involving both the Indian troops and the paramilitary forces. BJP-led Indian government has suspended 5 more employees in occupied Kashmir. These suspensions were issued due to the employees' alleged failure to report for the election duty in the Reasi district. The voting for the first phase of the so-called assembly elections in occupied Kashmir took place on September 18th. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has strongly condemned the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that the BJP is raising the bogey of Pakistan to divert attention from its own failures. Mehbooba Mufti's remarks came in response to the Prime Minister Modi's claim that the PDP, along with the National Conference and the Congress, is promoting the agenda of the neighbouring country in occupied Kashmir. Deputy Leader of the Opposition in the Rajya Sabha, Pramod Tiwari, has demanded urgent responses from the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Home Minister Amit Shah regarding serious allegations made by the former occupied Kashmir Governor Satyapal Malik related to the 2019 Pulwama attack and the corruption claims. Speaking to the reporters in Jammu, Tiwari expressed concern over the BJP leadership's continued silence, suggesting that it indicates something fishy. Pakistan's Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif emphasized the necessity of resolving the Kashmir and the Palestine disputes for achieving lasting peace and stability globally, affirming Islamabad's commitment to standing alongside the international community in promoting peace. In a message on the International Day of Peace today, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif described the Jammu and Kashmir issue as a long-standing dispute.